Mpura so comes on your fancy God, I'm steady winning. Camino Yendra Fira 1-on-1, so fancy teacher. Some people are saying fancy Gadam. Who are you?
Fancy Gadam, I think I'm big. I am big.
Okay, Fancy Mbwa, how did you start your music career?
So I started this music and I was doing in my native dialect, that is the Dagbani.
Okay, how many years does it took you for your people to accept you as a musician?
Yes, to 4 years, only in the north. I mean,
Wow.
Tamale alone.
Kabalga, how many years does it took you for you to conquer there?
It took me, let's say, 2 years for Bolga and then for Wa.
The time you started your music career, who are the people who supported you?
That the Gombes support me, they love me, push me to the wall.
And on your face show, I want to know the number of people who attend your face show.
16 people.
16.
So how do you combine your dancing to your music career?
If you're a dancer, always you are on fire. So with the dancing part, I would say it is in my blood, but the music career that I was up, with the dancing skills.
Okay.
So I learned music and I add it up, and it's light.
Okay, I want to ask you one question. Who is Makasio to you?
Yeah, he's a brother from the north, and he's also doing well. So we are all pushing one agenda.
Which year did you feature Sarkodie?
Now, as in 2017, that I featured Sarkodie with a total cheat.
Come on, VG, my people were saying, who is Fancy Gadam? We don't know Fancy Gadam. How would you clarify yourself?
Yeah, you see, Ghana is big. You understand? You be in Accra thinking like you are on top of Ghana. You don't lie to yourself. Because Ghana, if you do your corner, you do your own thing. We Fancy Gadam 2 days some corner. I do my own thing. You understand? You can't talk, say, me, I don't know Fancy Gadam no deserve. No, I don't deserve. As it was competition, it was voting. I have my fan base. Whoever was part of the category.
So what category did VGMA nominated you as?
As popular song of the year, that's the total cheat.
Being the award my time, some people was making a mockery. Fancy Gadam don't deserve the award. This Patapar deserve it. Fancy Gadam don't deserve. So I want to know the things that you have done in the system that show that Fancy Gadam you deserve that.
No, I was able to fill up Sports Stadium on my own, and I have crazy following. My fan base is crazy.
Come on, VGMA award my people were saying, who is Fancy Gadam? We don't know Fancy Gadam. How would you clarify yourself?
Fancy Gadam, I think I'm big. I am big. So that's the reason why I deserve Artist of the Year.
So do you mean that you are bigger than any artist in Ghana here?
Yeah. Fancy Gadam, to me, I told you already, I don't really care about being bigger than somebody. But I know I'm big. You understand? I am the biggest. To me, I'm the biggest.
Based on what?
Based on what I can do.
Okay.
And based on what I do, I think no artist can do it. Because I organize concert on my own. I won't put any big artist on the bill. And trust me, the numbers that I'm getting out of my events, nobody go figure it out.
Then it be free show you to play.
Where you know we say be free show, so it be paid concert. That be the difference. You get it? If you get your crowd, okay, your crowd be say be free shows you do. You understand? But first gather me crowd, it be paid concerts that they do.
But some people are saying Fancy Gadam, you only did your show in the northern region.
And not only doing the shows in like my comfort zone. You understand? I did my show at Kumasi. I did my show in Accra here, and most of shows in the northern region.
Some people are saying Fancy Gadam chichat on Patapara. Is it true? I want you to say something about your fans, your fan base.
See, my fan base, they are loyal, too loyal. You understand? And you know we say we they pack people from Tamale, they come. No, they everywhere. Gadam Nation day everywhere. The whole Ghana. I can do show anywhere in Ghana. And it is not going to be a free concert. It is going to be a paid concert. And trust me, the place is going to be full up.
Okay, Mbwa, who voted for you?
My fan base voted for me.
Okay.
And I won. You understand? Yeah.
So we cannot compare any artist fans with you.
You can't compare Fancy Gadam fans to any other artist.
Are you sure?
You can go about Fancy Gadam. Nobody will tell you.
Do you have car?
I have cars. I have 2. Range Rover and Camry.
Mbwa, which car is your next target for you to buy?
Definitely, I want to buy G-Wagon.
Okay, here say if you come to Tamale, the people don't call you Fancy Gadam. What is the name they used to call you?
Arula.
People are saying Fancy Gadam, guest lover, Cambon, Azan, Tamale, guest man, to mash out freestyle.
Over, me and the girl I'm sugar. Hey, Tamale girls, man, I'm conquering nation, don't be shocked, I will like it.
VJ man was my Danya Patapadras, my Bocada. Okay, Fancy, as you are saying, your fan base is crazy. I want to know how people related to your songs in the northern.
In the northern region, Fancy Gadam, every song of Fancy Gadam is like national anthem. First, when you go to
And all the 3 northern regions are able to sing your song.
the northern region, the 3 northern region, my songs, like, I have like 50 songs to 60 songs. People can sing word to word to the song. So what about that one?
Subscription button ma, ngba subscribe to channel I subscribe now, yin bell button ma. I did bell button ma. Sa kamti upload the video. The nyala den yampaga. Den shambala.